Good morning, my friend of Blue People 67. Today we're gonna make something special. We make mushroom gratinade with gorgonzola. Unbelievable. Let's try together. As usual, the ingredients of our dishes: portobello mushroom, breadcrumbs, eggs, parsley, butter, and gorgonzola, the king of cheese from Milano. Let's start the preparation of our mushroom with gorgonzola. First of all, we make this simply and fast procedure. Mushroom in the eggs and then in the breadcrumbs. Here we go. We're gonna add a little bit of parsley. Add our lovely gorgonzola. And now a little bit salt, a little bit pepper, and some butter. Here we go. Not bad, eh? We added, of course, olive oil from Crete. It's like a little natural cups with aromas, ingredients, and lovely taste. Last touch, we added on the top just fresh mushroom. Very simply, very fast, ready. Now we cook in the oven 20 minutes and it's gonna be just ready to eat.